We are at the airport. So we are going to Jeju for how many days? 7? 8 days. Our flight is a red-eye flight. It's at 2:30 AM. This time round is a little bit special because we're traveling with my bum. Yeah, so this time round we're gonna take this new. It's our first time taking lah. It's called 𝙀𝘿𝙄𝙏. It's a budget airline that fly direct to Jeju.
The only bad thing is if people are looking for business, right? 𝙀𝘿𝙄 don't fly business to Jeju.
To Jeju, yeah.
Only to Seoul.
I'm getting a little bit more 喘 now because my baby bum is quite big, although I'm only 14 weeks now. So likely we're going to buy some stuff, then we're gonna eat something and sleep. And then by the time we wake up, we'll be at Jeju.
See ya in Jeju. Bye.
We are at Jeju.
Finally, after 6 hours, but there's a delay lah.
How was your experience on the flight?
Okay lah, the flight. I mean, although it's a budget, but it's still quite comfortable. Just that, I mean, I know lah, budget the seats always are a bit
Not as comfortable.
not as comfortable lah.
But I don't.
Overall, it's okay.
Yeah, I don't
It's
think
quite
the
spacious.
leg room is not so bad, honestly. But anyway, we're gonna go find out how to take our rented car. Bye! Just after like what, 2 minutes of bus ride, we're at the car rental place already. Hello car! How's the boot space?
Okay,
Wow, big eh. Nice! We're off to a good start. Wow, nice eh, look, it fits nicely.
Yeah.
Actually, this person, first thing first, clean the car. I think the rental company will be very happy because we help them to clean up the car. Okay, go Dutch eh. Actually very smart oh, this thing.
Nice one, nice one. Nice one, nice one. Nice one. Say again.
Super nice.
아침에 입에 발물고 똑같이 하루를 시작하고
Living plus dining area plus a little kitchenette and the toilet. I'll say that's quite decent. Because we wanted to book this place because of the view. Thought it's quite cute lah. We should show you the Airbnb photos. 有点差哈，
This red
有点。
and it's not cheap eh.
Yeah, it's not that cheap also.
300.
But not is 300 啊。
Yeah, more than.
But 有 sea view 咯 but 它的 sea view 也是有 block 的啦 So we're going to unpack, rest a bit, then we'll go for dinner.
붉어지며 뭔가 잊고 게 있는 것 같아 괜히 이상하게 먹을 것만 같고 그냥 지나치는 게 나을 것 같아 난 생각은 딱 질색이니까 오랫동안 나를 아는 슬픈 표정을 하고 과거의 미래의 차원의 세계에
Good morning! It is day 2 of our Jeju trip. It's left-hand drive lah, so first time driving left-hand drive, how?
Okay lah, here more relaxed oh.
Because the speed limit is 30. As we speak, you see. We're about to go to lunch. It's a skill to drive below 30 eh.
Yes, it's a skill to like press and not go more
Oh, this is a school. Look.
노을빛 속에서 과거를 돌려보내
So we are seated in the restaurant. Oh my god, 我的 eyebrow 有点画，好像太粗。哎呀，the Airbnb。Okay, I don't mind that my eyebrow a bit gone, okay? But I wanted to show you we're at this place for lunch. And then, right, they gave us a little corner to sit here. It's quite nice. And 重点 is that, right, the guy is so handsome, eh. I just pick and show you. See the guy in the blue cap? But so while our car is charging, it's actually quite hot today. We are gonna have something called the sea urchin. I can't have it, but sea urchin and seaweed soup. And I'm gonna have seafood ramen. Well, the update is that we are trying to go to a hotel to stay for 2 nights because the Airbnb that we stayed was really quite subpar. The mattress was really very hard. It just felt like spring mattress. There's no cushion, number one. Number two is a loft. Not that we don't know there was a loft, but we forgot that like the toilet is not upstairs. So now that I need to go pee more often, I have to go up and down the stairs quite a lot. And the stairs is quite narrow, not very friendly for somebody who is pregnant or elderly. And then the pillow was so flat. Just overall quite a shabby place lah. But of course, because we only paid like, I mean after we checked, right, we only paid like $90+. So no complaints over there. But then we decided to maybe just try the hotel. Our first 2-3 days, we're going to explore the left side of the map and the middle bottom part, which is the south. So far, this person rated that our Jeju food is nicer than Seoul.
More flavor. I'm a more flavor person. I'm a very flavorful person.
Wow, I look damn puffy on screen.
I bought a douchebag specs.
Shits. Okay, quite handsome, not bad. Let's do a chill seaweed wise. This is mine.
Is it ghetto seafood place? So lesson learned, if you're coming to a tea museum place, right, please order anything related to tea, not tangerine. The tangerine drink.
Not so nice.
𝙀𝘿𝙄𝙍 sia. Okay lah, not say not very nice lah, it's okay lah. We're like going hiking.
창가에 비치는 햇살처럼 나른한 오후를 채워가 시계 소리마저 잠든 지금 너의 생각에 잠겨 조금씩 내 맘이 너로 물들어가는 느낌 Like a dream, so sweet Oh, you're my star
Bought a lot of tea. Huh? We can go back open tea shop. Okay, we will update later when we found a place to stay. If not, we'll be sleeping on the street. Later, bye.
Our hotel.
Just stay with me
We're at Jeju Shinhwa World Landing Resort. We just booked the room via Agoda and they don't have double bed left, so there will be a twin bed situation for 2 nights. But I don't mind it because we need proper rest and a proper bed and proper amenities.
이 공간을 가득 채워 girl It's true
2 twin beds. Oh, look at the thickness of the bed. Come test. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna try the bed. Okay, I will consider this an open view. And then, so this hotel, they also have casino.
You're my starlight, my sun 내 머니 모든 순간이 너로
here at dinner location. It's a barbecue place.
이대로 You're my starlight, my sun, 내 몸이 모든 순간이 너로 빛나 내 맘에 먼저 와 Just stay with me 이대로
Today is day 3. We are at a theme park. This is totally unplanned. So we got the tickets for free. Decided to come here to check it out. Free entrance. It looks pretty empty and it's quite cold. It's always not been that windy, but today is like extremely windy. I don't know why. So this is the theme park map. I'm looking forward to go to there's a mini zoo inside. It's called MomoZoo. So yeah, can't wait to go to see the capybara. Currently now it's 16 degrees. We are in! So cute!
두근두근 관람차위 너와 함께라면 어디든 꿈처럼 달콤한 하루 솜사탕 구름처럼 팝콘 향기 가득해 게임 속 주인공처럼 신나는 모험 시작해 빙글빙글 회전 목마 두근두근 관람차위 너와 함께라면 어디든 꿈처럼 달콤한 하루 솜사탕 구름처럼 팝콘 향기 가득해 게임 속 주인공처럼 신나는 모험 시작해 빙글빙글 회전 목마 두근두근 관람차위 너와 함께라면 어디든 꿈처럼 달콤한 하루 솜사탕 구름처럼 팝콘 향기 가득해
Oh my god, there's a sheep. This girl cannot get enough of the pig.
So cute.
Oh, honestly, the enclosure really quite clean.
很 clean 呀。
Just 给它一个小小个的。Yeah, okay. Hey, patience, patience.
Okay, this one they give you a tong, so I don't think it's that bad.
처럼 신나는 모험
You're very hungry, oh. Nobody come to the zoo lah, oh. Hey, don't snatch.
Hello, your hair looks great.
너와 함께라면 어디든 꿈처럼 달콤한 하루 솜사탕 구름처럼 팝콘 향기 가득해 게임 속 주인공처럼 신나는 모험 시작해 빙글빙글 회전 목마 두근두근 관람차위 너와 함께라면 어디든 꿈처럼 달콤한 하루 솜사탕 구름처럼 팝콘 향기 가득해 게임 속 주인공처럼 신나는 모험 시작해 빙글빙글 회전 목마 두근두근 관람차위 너와 함께라면 어디든 꿈처럼 달콤한 하루 솜사탕 구름처럼 팝콘 향기 가득해 게임 속 주인공처럼 신나는 모험 시작해 빙글빙글 회전 목마
You know, it's quite funny. It's like we bow the zoo. There's like 2 zookeeper with us.
하루 솜사탕 구름처럼
Okay, bye, bro.
팝콘 향기 가득해 게임 속 주인공처럼 신나는 모험 시작해 빙글빙글 회전 목마 두근두근 관람차위 너와 함께라면 어디든 꿈처럼 달콤한 하루 시간이 멈춘 듯해 너의 눈빛 속에 난 영원히 간직할게 이 순간의 마법을
Show you how strong the wind is. Look at my hand. Hey, the wind relax Wow, there's a glass house there.
Our lunch place.
So cute.
Okay, this is our lunch place.
Just your smile, a gentle glow. My heart feels complete.
Wow, the lunch place is so big, sir.
Our sweet embrace,
Lost in time,
in this warm place.
love's melody.
The food is here, finally. Wow, it looks fantastic.
Every moment.
Risotto.
빗자루에서 네 손을 잡고 걷는 길 따스한 온기
꿈결 같아 우리 둘만의 겨울 이야기
사랑의 이 모든 순간
After the cafe, went back to take a nap, and then now we're at this place called Lunafall. It's very cold. It feels like 9 degrees because it's very windy. So this Lunafall is like an outdoor park thingy where there's like light installation, and you see that we're all like puffed up, and I got this very extra layer mask because I was cold. Then see I got gloves on also. We are ready. This one not really ready. See, we have to buy tickets. It shows on Naver that it's around $18 per adult. Wow.
이 모든 순간
이 모든 순간
영원히 함께 할 약속 가슴 가득 채운 설렘 우리 사랑은 끝없이 빛나 계절이 변해도 변치 않아 더 깊어져가는 마음 함께 그리운 미래 꿈꿔 가장 소중한 너와 나
Annyeong everybody. Today is day 4. We are traveling all the way up right side of the map to this place called London Bagel Museum, and then we're gonna just explore the right side because we have a bit of time today. Travel up is around 51 minutes drive, 49 kilometers. About an hour drive lah. So if you are thinking of coming to Jeju and not too sure like how far does it take, right? It doesn't really take that far. It's just that whether do you need to go back to the hotel to rest.
Just rent a car.
Okay already lah.
But going to city is still the speed limit is the problem.
I don't think it's a bad thing.
Speed limit is the irritating part.
Beautiful. Weather is pretty good today. With the wind blowing, it's about 12 to 13 degrees. So a bit cold. For me, I'm wearing heat tech underneath this jacket. We truly enjoyed the food so far.
So I'm actually more of a seafood person, so prefer more seafoody stuff.
Another thing to note, if you're renting a car, right, make sure right, your car has the, if you're using Apple, have the Apple CarPlay.
달콤해 롤러코스터 스릴 내 미소에 녹아내려 모든 게
Wow! It's no joke.
너와 나 둘이
Wow, it's so pretty.
Oh, the sand damn fine.
Huh.
작은 별들이 속삭여 우리만의 비밀 이 밤이 끝나지 않길 사랑해 내 전부야
No, eat here.
2070为点
Can.
내게로 와서 melt my heart 봄의 향기를 담은 그대를 보며 그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼 Don't know what to say You were just like one spring day 설레임을
Wow, very good.
언젠가부터였을까 Valentine. Someday you'll make my dream come true. 행복한 너 그리고 나 우릴 비추고 With you by my side 멈춘 시간 속 서로가 마주하는 이곳 I can see you through a little far away.
Today is day 5. We are currently at a lunch place that we saw on Naver Map that has mostly only Koreans inside here. I don't think it's a very touristy place. We ordered like seafood noodles and chicken. Menu behind Ming is like all Korean words one. But thankful for Google Translate. Drove around half an hour from our Airbnb to this place. And 它价钱是 okay leh. The chicken, like a huge plate is like $22. The noodles is like $8-9. It's a seafood one some more. So I can't wait to try. Hungry already oh. Can't wait to have our lunch. And maybe later we'll go to this place called the Healing Forest.
느낌이 좋아 걱정되고 보고 싶은 이런 기분은 현재 진행형 사실은 나도 뭐가 뭔지 잘 모르겠어 어쩌다 우리 여기까지 알 수 없는
햇살 좋은 이 아침에 그대 모습이 떠이네 특별해져 너와 함께하는 모든 순간 꿈만 여기서 빛나줄게 모든 계절을 지나도 우리 사랑은 변하지 않아 너와 함께하는 모든 순간 영원히 간직할게 나의 모든 것 나의 사랑 You are my holiday.
It is day 4, day 5. Day 6 Day 6, pregnancy brain. We're at this little cafe called Monocle. Wow, it smells damn good We just checked out of our Airbnb.
Good morning.
Yeah. We're here to check out this little cafe. The outdoor sitting area. Today's weather is not too cold. It's about, how many degrees 18.
When a rainbow's over you kiss no one needs to know
driving for about an hour. We are at the underground shopping center.
One that I take from starlight night, singing far into night.
I bought this jacket for 39,000 won, around $40 lah, I guess. Then they sell like this kind of like cute souvenirs.
금요일인가 네가 만나자 했던 날이 그 시간이 후로나 너와 나 생각해봤어 무슨 일일까 아니 무슨 말을 할까 아니 무슨 옷을 입을까 그렇게 금요일이 왔어 너의 발을 맞추려 할 때마다 넌 밖에 걷는 걸 느껴 on my mind 말도 못한 채 네 옆에 서 있는 내가 널 안아볼 수 있다면 여기까지였던가 거길 가도 될런가 애매하기만 하다
Come Mr. Tan eh. Wow. Mr. and Mrs. Tan. So we got a free upgrade. We are back at Jeju Shinhwa World. This time we are at Jeju Shinhwa World. They gave us a double bed. Toilet is pretty spacious. There's a bathtub, separate shower. There's a little balcony outside also. Our dinner for tonight. From the market. This is the squid. $19 at this squid cost. Very nice ah. Is it soft? Today is our day 7. So we have one last night here. Then tomorrow we'll be flying off at night. So this is the bakery place, but I think they are doing some construction outside. So we thought they actually was closed, but it's actually still open. Our dinner tonight at this cute little place. It's a ramen place and tonkatsu. It's the last day. How you feel?
Good? Just nice now. I think it is just nice for Jeju.
It's a very slow and relaxing trip.
Today is the earliest that we wake up.
Yeah, so time check now is like 11 a.m. here. Yeah, that's the earliest that we have been to breakfast. Normally it's like we usually tour until like 12 plus. Yeah. Now we're back here at this restaurant or cafe called Jejudang. We love their food here, we love the vibes here. So we decided to come here for our last proper meal before we leave lah. So our flight is at 7 this evening. So we gotta be at the airport around 4-ish because we need to return the car also. And I've ordered the same dish because I am a basic girl. Then Ming ordered squid ink risotto to try. It works that we come a bit earlier because it's not as crowded as the other time when we were here. We had to like camp for a seat actually and waited for like at least 20 to 30 minutes. And then the waiting time for the food was quite some time also, so we went straight to order the food first. So later we're probably going to go Ollie because that's the only like shopping thing here to see whether we need any last minute like things. And then we'll go back to the hotel to wash up. So we booked the hotel for one more night just so that we can go back to the hotel to like wash up and then like pack before we leave for the hotel.
We don't need to rush for the morning checkout. That's why.
Yeah, we don't need to rush.
It's the trend that we are having now also.
Yeah.
The last time we went Seoul also like that. We went Bali also like that.
Yeah. Don't know why our flight always like that. But I like it this way. I don't mind the paying extra because you feel more relaxed when you don't have to rush. Alright, we'll wait for our food. This used to be my favorite, okay? Before I got pregnant. Wow, so good. I'm having the tomato risotto. Although I don't like the chicken, there's a taste to the chicken, but other than that, the rest of the things here, very good. Surprisingly, the risotto very nice here.
Hello.
We are at the airport. We can conclude that Jeju's international airport got nothing to do lah.
Yeah, really nothing. Please eat before coming in.
Yeah, and then the food option here is like very limited, only like one restaurant. So yeah, that concludes our 8 days
Jeju with no itinerary.
Yeah, 8 days 7 nights trip.
Jeju is a fun place, but please drive.
I think driving is a key.
Some of the places that we visit, that area only has like one food, if not one attraction. Then you need to go to another place. So best to drive.
Rethink Airbnb if you are very picky on your bed, as in the comfort level of your bed.
Yeah, but if you come with a lot of people, like 4 or 5, I mean Airbnb is the best way to go.
Yeah, and then also like if you need the toilet on the first level or the same level as your bed, right? Then
don't get a loft, please.
Yeah, don't get a loft.
That's our mistake. We think loft very chill, but after that,
yeah,
the hassle. I mean, if your snacks are downstairs, then you go out for movie night, then you need to go down and take your stuff.
So the stairs are quite steep, so that's one thing to look out for also. Yeah, okay, that's all. We're waiting for our flight. We are taking T-Way back, a direct flight, 6 hours. Then we'll reach Singapore around 2 AM.
If you guys are coming to Jeju, T-Way is a good flight to consider because the flight from Singapore to Jeju is a red eye. So you reach here early morning, like 9 plus 10. So you don't really waste one day. Going back, then that's the tough part lah. See whether you want to check out early. If not, you have to book one extra night because the flight back is about 7. So you need to be at the airport 2 hours before. Maybe now, next time you don't need to come 2 hours before. I mean, the customs are very fast because it's all biometric.
The tax refund is quite fast also.
You see the tax refund counter, nobody one. Totally nobody one. Not like Japan or Seoul, right? The tax refund counter is crazy. It's really crazy.
I mean, granted like Seoul or Japan, they are like big cities,
but there's really not
right?
much shopping.
There's no much shopping here. The most we did was like Ollie.
No, I bought quite a bit of things though. I mean, not say a lot. Not say a lot. I only bought a couple of pants or t-shirt. You
bought like those, like those camping style one, but
oh well.
Compared to Seoul, definitely is a big difference. But anyway, I definitely recommend Jeju if you want a relaxing trip. Lots of good food. The weather was very nice also. We were here for 8 days, right? Only one day is like super cold. The wind was blowing very like.
But the weather was cold also lah. That night was
that night was
6.
Oh, 6 degrees
like 6.
Yeah, so that was the only cold night, and then we were very blessed for like no rainy days during our trip. Quite sunny throughout also lah. I think we are dressed relatively light. Just one jacket will do lah. You see his jacket there.
Just one puffer jacket should be more than sufficient. See you back in Singapore. Hope you don't fall asleep on the flight.
Yeah, because if we do fall asleep on a flight, then later on we probably cannot sleep at home. Yeah, okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.
Click here for more. Click here to subscribe. See the bell. 撞下去.
Okay, bye.